Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can animate your desktop with animated wallpapers just like this one. So this is a program called Wallpaper Engine, and the good thing about it is that it's been around for a good number of years and has plenty of wallpapers to choose from. One of the downsides is that it's a paid program, and the only way to get it is through the Steam store. So if you don't have a Steam account, you're going to have to create one and buy the application there. So once you've opened Steam, I'm going to show you how to find it. Just go to the store, search Wallpaper Engine here at the store, and it usually goes on sale for quite low. So that's a nice little bonus. And here you can add it to your cart and check out. Now, once you've downloaded and installed it, you can open it. So let's go to my library. I'm going to click on software, on check games, and I've got Wallpaper Engine. So let's give it a moment to update. There we go. Shouldn't take much longer now. Just a few more minutes. So I mentioned earlier, it's been around for a good number of years, and that's one of the upsides it has versus something like Lively Wallpaper, is that there's a much wider selection of wallpapers to choose from. With Lively Wallpaper, you might have to either make your own or find a web app or web video to convert into a wallpaper that you like. But with Wallpaper Engine, it's much simpler. So let's go ahead and launch the program. Let's give it a moment to update real quick. And there we go. So this is what the UI looks like. So here I have all my installed wallpapers, and there's the discover page and a workshop page. This is where you're going to be finding and subscribing to wallpapers you are interested in. And then at the right hand side, you have your customization window. You can change things like the theme color, the volume, if it has any soundtrack or audio file associated with it, and then the playback speed. You can also save your presets if you want to change your themes a little bit and save it as a preset setting. You can do so there. And different wallpapers will also have different degrees of customization. But generally, these are what you got. Let's see if I can find one with a bit more customization. Let's check out Dino Run. This one's one of the defaults. There we go. You can flip it, you can add an image filter, you can show color options, etc. So there are also interactive wallpapers that respond. This one plays a little mini game similar to the Chrome browser, but I'll let you discover those. So I'm going to quickly show the discover in the workshop page. Let's go to discover. Here you can view a selection of wallpapers that are tailored to your preferences. So sometimes there are some for phones, some for highlighted creators, popular right now, and here my recent approved wallpapers. These are ones that I gave a thumbs up on, although I don't recall a lot of these anymore. And once you can also head on over to the workshop, and this is more of a general search tab. And as you can see, there are thousands of pages of wallpapers to choose from. So you're definitely going to find something that strikes your fancy. If you want to search for a wallpaper, all you have to do is type in your keywords here in this search bar, and there are some filter results. So approved wallpapers, these are ones that have been community curated, mobile compatible, audio responsive, and customizable. Then you have your types, you have your resolution, you have your tags, and tags are more of like your genre of wallpaper. So Wallpaper Engine is a very powerful tool to customize your desktop. There are plenty of other features that I haven't gone over, but if it interests you, I highly recommend you to check it out. I hope you're able to learn something new, and thank you for watching.